Check this one out at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's got the look, 1972 C10. Recently rebuilt 350 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a rebuilt 4-speed manual transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does need to be recharged. And it's a great looking engine bay. We're going to check that out in just a bit. First, let's take a look at this front grille. Headlights, surrounds, chrome on that front bumper. Custom paint. This green and silver combination. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this truck from every angle. You'll be able to see that engine bay I'm talking about, the undersides, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. I believe these rims and tires were installed in 2020 or 2021. There was a receipt that came with it. American Racing, kind of a cool spin on the slotted wheels. Good polished look on it. Radial tires. Really gives it that custom look with this paint job. And then take a look at how nice and straight these panels are down this passenger side from the front to the rear. Also custom interior. This split bench, kind of a 40-20-40 setup. Fold down armrest. So 4-speed on the floor. Custom stereo install. Pioneer. We'll get around to that in just a bit. First of all, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the two-tone paint combination broken with that custom pinstripe of the red and black in between. But again, you can see how nice and straight those long panels are. Spray and bed liner in great shape, flat black. True dual exhaust from the front to the rear. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper, also in great shape. Color scheme and theme. Continuing around in the tailgate to the driver's side, and once again, those still pictures. Look at this truck from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay. And I'll roll the windows up too here in a bit when we check out the engine bay, so you can see they're lightly tinted, kind of like this back glass. Looks great, especially with that dividing black stripe. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like this body style Chevy, or maybe you're just into custom trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done either online or right off our showroom floor. Let's look down this driver's side. Once again, you can see how nice and straight these long panels are. The paint's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a small imperfection here or there, maybe a touch-up, but overall, this truck will turn some heads. There's no doubt about that. A few things I do want to mention on it. Technician said it could use new rear wheel cylinders and brake pads. There is a battery shut-off underneath the hood above the passenger fender. When we get underneath the hood, it does have a Holley 4-barrel on it, HEI ignition, and the AC will kick on and off. It just needs to be charged. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Look at this, power windows. Those are in working order. Nice panel matching the interior. I would say kind of a dark charcoal. Appears to be a leather. And again, with this fold-down armrest here. I'll show you that in just a bit too. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run. Let's take a peek here. Does this have a storage compartment underneath? It sure does. There you get an idea. The fold-down armrest, and then of course the cup holders on the top. So nice custom interior on this. Get a good look at the dash. Visor's intact. I did have the Pioneer stereo system working also. And again, rebuilt 4-speed manual transmission. .350 V8 power. Here you can see the Pioneer fired up. Has the speakers down the kick panels on each side. Make sure we're in neutral. No rips, tears, or holes in any of the seats. Notice anything like that. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Sounds as you would expect. I'm going to show you these power windows also. We want to show you the light tint on them. So let's hit both of them here so you can see. I don't know if you can see that's going up pretty quick. Check the passenger one. That one's already up. Those babies move quick. So real light tint, nothing over the top. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. I definitely want to show you this engine bay. And remember, as usual, stick around to the end of the video. Jason's going to take this truck for a drive. All right, hood open, and she's warmed up now down on the low idle. Look at this engine bay. There's some nice bright work with that brake booster and master cylinder, alternator, pulleys, that Holley 4-barrel, MSD. ATI ignition. It's that battery disconnect I was talking about. Nice setup underneath here. Nice light Moby idle. Let's slip around to the back and listen to this. Looking good and sounding good. 1972 Chevrolet C10 custom looking truck. Take this to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Bet you go home with some trophies. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a nice looking 1972 Chevrolet C10 with a custom paint job. And some very nice touches. The dash with a custom fascia that looks like it's going around stock gauges. This is a manual transmission on the floor, which makes it more fun. Our turn signal indicator is working. Our temperature gauge is coming up from cold. Very nice sound of this truck. Battery gauge is charging over halfway. As I said, the temperature is about a quarter of the way up the gauge. Oil pressure is over half on the gauge. Now the fuel gauge is reading just about empty, but I do see that needle moving a little bit. Speedometer is working. We have a Pioneer stereo in the dash. That is working as it should. The windshield wipers also work and the blower motor works. We have the heat on a little bit today. Aftermarket seats, if not possibly later model factory seats from another vehicle with fold down armrest and storage and cup holders. Makes the interior nice as well. Brakes are working as they should. We'll go down to first to start into the roundabout here. corners nicely. This truck stays pretty flat in the corners. I'm guessing not stock suspension. At least not the sway bar. That's just my opinion. Really nice sound when you get on the throttle of this truck. Take a look at all the pictures and see all the details of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.